Here we see my screen. I will log in now Salesforce. Okay, yesterday did you practice?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, what is the class time we have done? First of us class, right? Yeah.
Class and method.
This is a class we have done yesterday, correct?
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to use primitive and non-primitive data types. With the help of the data types, I can able to execute the whole class. Then you can able to see the output properly. Oh, oh, so it's an error. Yeah, can able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, hold on. Okay. Now I'm going to use third method, public static void primitive data type. Okay. Examples. Now I'm going to use view data type, which is string. Okay. First is string. String in the sense it will come. I already showed right in the first class. String. Okay. Contact name equal to, for example, job. Okay. Then after what I will use here, system dot debug show contact name. Show contact name. So here what variable I should have to insert here? Contact name. Okay. Is it printing? I'm printing. Now string completed. So what is the next step here? Integer. Integer. Okay. Copy this one. I put the comment. Okay. Integer equal to a value equal to 70 and integer b value equal to 80. Now I do a sum. Integer sum value. Sum value equal to A value plus B value. Okay. Now what I will do, I will use show debug, show some values. Okay. Now this is a string completed, integer completed. Now it is a primitive data type, guys. Okay, this is a primitive data type example I'm showing to you. Okay, primitive data types. Okay, after that, what is the next step? Enter. Now decimal, long. Okay, long. If I want to insert more digits, like uh, about 10 digits, about 10 more digits, so I should have to use a long data type. Long, and here what I will use is population. Okay, it's a variable name. Okay, population is a variable name is equal to, I will use, I will put the long. L in the sense long. Means Y means I'm using a more numbers, more digits. So I should have to use a long. Copy and paste, show population. It's a variable. Okay. So now what is the next step? Decimal. Decimal comes under uh, decimal customer salary. Okay. Because is equal to 98,000.00. I will use like this. Okay. Then show customer salary. Copy the variable and paste in the print. So what the next here? After that, Boolean. Boolean is called as a, guys, what is the Boolean here? True. It's a Boolean means it's a true or false. It's a true or false. Customer is active. Customer is active. So whatever I'm inserting the values, I'm storing this value where? In variables, I'm storing the values. Okay. Now enter. So what is the next step now? Date. Date. Data type. Okay. Date. Current date equal to. So what I need to do here? Current date equal to date dot today. Date dot today. I should have to use date dot today. Means it will come, what it will come? It will come today's date. It will come today's date. I will use the sheet on dot debug. I'll paste it here. Now, current date in the sense I will use here. What is current date? Copy. Okay. Next, what I will use now? Date after, what is that? Date and time. Date, time. Okay. Date, time. I will use current date time. It's a variable name. Current date time is a variable name. Okay, equal to. So what I need to use here? So for that date, I'm using a date and today. If I want date also and time also, so what should I have to use here? Date, time, dot now. Means it will give today date, time, today date also, and it will give a time also. It will give a date also, and it will give a time also. Okay. Copy, paste. What is the current date? Time. Paste. Okay. So now I want only time, for example. I want the time. I want the only time. So what data type I should have to use for time? I want only time means time is a data type. Now current time. Current time. So for the time, we can't able to use dynamic. We should have to use hard code. We should have to use a hard code value. So how we can use a hard code here? Time dot new instance. So why I'm using a new instance here? Because I'm hard coding the value. Because I'm hard coding here. Hard coding in the sense I'm mentioning the time. I'm mentioning here time. 9 comma 30 comma okay, 0 comma 0 means 9:30 9:30 a.m. 0 seconds 009 seconds. I'm using now. Guys, are you able to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Current time. Okay. So after that ID, it is a standard one. Okay. In this, we having a format. 18 digits, we should have to mention the ID. 18 digits, we should have to mention the ID. So what I will use here, my variable name is record ID. So you go to any record. Okay. You go to any record and copy the ID. Go to any record and open the record. It will open automatically. And this is our ID. Copy the ID. Go back and paste it. Okay. Copy the not debug. Show me record ID. Record ID is a variable. Paste. Now blob. Blob means it will decode the value. It will decode the value. For example, if I want to decode the password, if I want to decode the algorithms, so I can able to use a blob. Blob, what it will do? It will convert the data into the string format. It will convert the data into the string format. String in the sense what? ABCD. ABCD format, it will give a proper data to us. So if I use a C, you can't able to understand the blob. When I do a practical, right, you can able to understand very clearly. Blob, directly. Blob. Okay. Now file data. For example, in that file, I'm having a data. That data I want the good format. So in this way, so in this, what data type I should have to use for the good format? Blob. The data it will show a string form like ABCD format. Okay, alphabets format. Like some files you can't able to decode. Okay, some files in your system, in your phones, you can't able to open because the format is not good. So in this time, the developers what they will do, a blob. Blob, it will decode the values. Decode the values. For example, 100 I'm using. Okay. Now what I will use here, I will use system.debug. Uh, show me blob data. Now here it will come file data. Sorry, file data. Okay, file data. After that, what I will use here exactly? Byte. Byte. Byte in the sense, what it will do here? It will this one. What do you say? It will give a proper response to us very clearly. Okay, fine. Oh, sorry, guys. Actually, it's a byte. Okay, it's a byte, and it's a blob. I confused. blob. Now, this is a rating, for example. Byte is a rating. The rating value is 100. The rating value is 100. So I'm using a rating here. I'm using a rating. Okay. Now blob. Blob, which it will can decode the values. It will can decode the values file data equal to. So how we can able to decode the values in the sense they're having some syntax. See, if I want to write a time, then I'm using this kind of methods. This kind of method. So date and time, it's a class. It's a like if, we are created a class, right? Like we have created one class. Like that only in system, in Apex. In this Apex, we are creating a class. Okay. In this Apex, we're having a standard class called it as a system also. And we're having a standard called it as a date also. Wait, yeah, date. Date is a class. Today is a method. Today is a method. These are all the standard classes. In Salesforce, it's inbuilt. It's inbuilt to us. Okay, blob, like that only, we're having a standard class for the blob as well. Blob as well. Blob dot value of. If you're using value of, right, it will decode the value. Hello? Sales. Okay. HELLO. Right. Right. Hello, sales. Now, what I will do now, capital scripture. Copy and paste. Okay. Blob data, paste. Okay. This syntax for the blob. This syntax for the blob. Okay. Just keep in mind, guys. Now, what I need to do here, okay, this is a simple data types. This is a primitive data type, which it will give a output only one. It will not able to give the output number of outputs. It will not able to give in the primitive data type. In the primitive data type, it will give the output only one digit, like one value only. It will give a proper output to us. Proper output to us because we are using a primitive data type. By, okay, by. Sorry, it's not a bi. It's a by. By. Okay. So what are the next here? Now, uh, we're having another one object. Sorry, what is it? Error showing to us invalid byte. Byte. Right? Okay. I think this byte data type is not there in the sales. It's not there in the Apex. They have removed, I guess, because the byte is a old one. The byte is a old data type in the Salesforce in the Apex because they have removed, I guess, from instead of byte they have put blob. They have put the blob. So what I don't want to remove. What I will do here, I will make uh, okay, say okay. So this is a class. So this is a data types, and every data type I have given a values, and that values I'm storing in the variables. Then this variable I'm calling with the print. So I can able to print the data very easily, very easily. So next step, what I need to do, I need to debug. I need to do the debug now. Control E. Now this is a class. Now I want to run only this one class. Primitive only. Paste it. Okay. Now execute it. If I click execute, right? Then here what will happen? It will execute properly. Now we need to click a debug only. It's still loading. So you can able to see the output. See, it's a block 17. What's showing here? Guys, what is showing here? Blob is a 17.
Sure.
Correct? If I go to blob, file data. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And space also it will count. See here, the Salesforce is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is there, right? And space also it will count. It will count and it will give a data to us. Clear, everyone? Guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's a primitive. Okay, it's a primitive. Now I want to call three methods in one. If I want to execute, right, I want to call at a time three methods. So what I need to do here, I need to copy and to paste it. Again, I need to paste it, or else you can call one by one. You can call in one. You can able to call one class to other class. Okay. Now execute it. If you execute, so what will come here? It will give you both first method, second method, third method. We are calling three methods at a time. So it will give a it will give to us like this output. Now, if I press Control E, then it's not a good. In one class only, in one line only, I should have to call everything. So what do you need to do in this case? In this case, you can able to call everything in one class. Uh, I will remove this one. Okay. First method, right? Copy and go below. Okay. My second method, you can able to call like this, save it. If I execute, this one, it's saving. Okay. Now I want to call only the primitive data type. If I call the primitive data type, it will come both methods. It will come all methods in one method. In one method. See here, everything it will come. This is the first method data, this is the second method data, and these are all the third method data. Third method data. For example, you don't want to call like this. You don't want to call like this. In one method, you don't want to call like this. You should have to call different method. You should have to call for the different method. Or else what you can able to do here, you can able to get different method. Public, static, void. Okay. What is the void here? It's a return type. It's a return type. Like whatever we are executing, right, inside the method, it will return. It is returning the data to us. That's why we are rating. That's why we are writing a void ID void. Void in the sense what? It's a return type. Okay. Call all method is a method name. Okay. Now what I will do, I will call one by one. Okay. second method, and a third method. If I click save, then what will happen here? See here, in this, so if I execute it, I need to call this method. It's a perfect one. It's a best practice. It's a best practice. See, I'm not calling one class to other class. I'm creating one more method. I'm creating one new method. In this new method, I'm calling all methods. I'm calling all three methods. If I click execute, right, then what it will do? It will execute properly. It will give a it will give a data proper to us. It will give first data, second data, and third. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what you can do? Just practice a lot. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you non-primitive data types because we should have to go from basic. You need to understand very clearly what is the coding. Then only we can able to go then only we can able to go very depth. This is basic. This is pillars. You should have to understand the pillars. You should have to build the pillars very strongly. Then only we can able to go ahead. Clear, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow.
Yes. Thank
Yes.
you.
Yeah.